Hi friends, all over the world forex traders have a great and successful day. This is gold chart H4 guys, and 1870.41 is center of today. If this candle, if the close of this place down near 1870.41, the market can visit down. The first resistance is 1865 and second is 1862 and third is 1855. Take care, today is Friday, and if the market goes up, the first resistance is 1878, 85, 89 and 1900 and 1908. 1908 is the final resistance is there. Take care friends. Thank you very much. Like, share and subscribe.